This is not pulled pork, this is jackfruit. Welcome to another episode of Let's Make It Vegan. So we're gonna be trying to make barbecue pulled pork with some jackfruit. I'm just gonna drain it and then kind of just shred it up. I honestly have never worked with jackfruit, so we'll see how it goes. It smells like a grape. It has the texture of a grape, but it's salty, which is throwing me off big time. So I drained it, and this is what we got. Kind of peed on me a little. Okay, so it pulls apart kind of like a meat would. It reminds me of like the bottom of a mushroom, like the gills of a mushroom. All right, let's get cooking. Put some olive oil in the pan. I was told to like drain these really well, so you just want to like squeeze out all the liquid. All right, into the pan. Here we go. Honestly, the more I taste it, it tastes more like an artichoke. It has the same texture and taste of an artichoke. Season it up. Get a nice brown color on the bottom. It looks like chicken. In goes the barbecue sauce. Oh, yeah. There's no honey in this, so the bees weren't sacrificing their lives for it. You're welcome. I don't have any bread, but I do have a day-old tortilla, so that's what we're using for a sandwich. It looks pretty good. Honestly, it looks like pulled pork. Taste test. No. It's delicious. It's a pass for me.